In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get GoHighLevel for free. This is a great opportunity to learn how to explore an incredibly robust platform without the immediate commitment of a full-fledged subscription. Let's dive in and make sure you get the most out of your GoHighLevel experience. The first method to get GoHighLevel for free is by using their official free trial, which is readily available through their website. This is the simplest and most straightforward way to access the platform. Through this official trial, GoHighLevel offers new users 14 days of free access, which grants you full access to all the features that the platform offers. That's right, you can explore the CRM, create your own funnels, engage in email marketing activities, set up complex workflows, manage calendars, establish memberships, and even design websites, all without any initial cost or commitment. There's no need to worry about being tied into lengthy contracts or surprise charges, as you can cancel the trial at any point, should you decide it isn't the right fit for you. It's a no-risk way to evaluate the multitude of tools and services that GoHighLevel has on offer. Now, if you find that 14 days simply isn't enough time to fully immerse yourself in the platform, don't worry. There's a second option that might just fit the bill. You can look for an extended 30-day trial by seeking out affiliate and partner links. Many current guides and user discussions confirm that these links do indeed offer an extended 30-day trial. This extended trial is a rare find, as it not only offers you twice the time, but also sometimes doesn't require a credit card, allowing you even more freedom and peace of mind as you experiment with GoHighLevel. These trials offer complete access to all features, just like the standard trial, meaning you won't be missing out on any functionality during this extended period. While embarking on this journey to find an extended trial can be slightly more time-consuming, it's well worth the effort if you want to ensure that you're making an informed decision about whether or not to commit to a subscription. You might want to start by searching online for guides or walkthroughs that detail how to access these longer trials. An example might be a 30-day GoHighLevel trial guide or a GoHighLevel 30-day trial walkthrough. These resources can provide invaluable insights and sometimes even direct links to secure that extended trial, ensuring you have enough time to explore and assess GoHighLevel in its entirety. With these two options, you're well on your way to discovering the potential that GoHighLevel holds for your business or personal needs. Whether you opt for the official 14-day free trial or manage to secure a 30-day trial through affiliate links, both avenues offer a fantastic taste of what the platform can do, all without putting a dent in your pocket. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful and encourages you to embark on your GoHighLevel adventure.